Good morning. This is just a quick tutorial to show you a little bit about our website and what is available for student, parents, faculty, and staff and community members. First of all, you want to go to dhthunder.org. You will see that there are tabs that go right across the top. They're pretty self-explanatory. I'll show you the student section first. If you are going to this tab, you'll look that it has the bell schedule here. And each of our bell schedules are listed, including when we have our homeroom, which is our intervention time that we have built into the day. We also have access to Power School. This is where parents can see students' attendance, grades, and assignments that are linked on there as well. In addition to that, the next stop is our Canvas. This is our online learning platform. And if this was a student's Canvas page, you would see all of their classes listed like thumbtacks right here across the top. Students can click on there, and or parents. They can see what assignments they have. They can message the teacher. They are also able to see what assignments they might have missed if they were sick. This has been a great resource, especially with COVID. So that's Canvas. We have a list of clubs here with all of our advisors so that students and parents can go through and get involved. We have School of Life, and this is our leadership, one of our leadership classes. This class is fills with about 17 kids, and we pick those students. We usually do a mix of Tier 2 students as well as leadership students. And in addition, there's our policies where students can access, and parents, our student handbook, dress code, grading, and attendance. Anytime we meet with new students, we will go over all of these things with them so that they are familiar coming in with what our requirements are. Parents also have similar buttons under theirs: Power School, Bell Schedule, Policies, Clubs. They can pay school fees online so that it makes it easy. If parents are working, they don't have to come in. Community Council, this is where we have our Community Council members and our budgets from years prior. We love to have our community involved. Lunch, right now, lunch is free for all students, so this is not necessary. Reunification, and then our state core standards. Our faculty, we have a faculty directory so that you are able to see all of our students and all of our teachers and what they teach, as well as their contact information. In addition, we have departments. You'll see you can click on the math department and see what is here. The teachers are located at the bottom, and so that's a great resource for parents. School emails, faculty handbook. We have another page here that I don't think you'd be able to access. This is our virtual faculty meeting. We put anything on here that our teachers might need to reference in the future, any documents or forms, travel requests, things like club application charters. This is typically just for our faculty. We also have an athletics page, athletics and activities, and this has typical things that you might need for our athletes or students who are trying out for teams. Register my athlete link, athlete tryout checkout list, our Region 10 handbook, fundraising questions, in addition to purchasing tickets. We have them broken down into fall, winter, and spring sports. We have a link to UHSAA and live streaming events. With COVID, we did have to live stream our events, and so that has been something that we implemented. And then in addition, a place for parents to purchase their tickets for upcoming events, as well as for students. We have a link for our media center that has various research material and information. It is a great website for not only students, but also for teachers as well. And school information, office hours. It explains when we're going to be here, our phone number, our fax number, and office hours and things like that. We also have a link to our school calendar. This is extremely important because with high school, we have so many things going on in one day, as you can see. It also lists our A days and B days for parents and students alike, because sometimes they'll forget, as well as holidays that are listed on the calendar. So a lot of information can be seen with our school calendar. And then last but not least, we have a great counseling page. These are our school counselors. It just comes across with information, graduation requirement information. It has courses that we offer college courses, career information, ACT information, and important scholarship and financial aid information. And these are things that we refer our students to and parents almost on a daily basis. New student registration, this is really important for any kids that are moving in, and also class options that they might be interested in so they have an idea before they come in. So that is a brief synopsis of our school website. I hope that this makes sense to you. One last thing I will show you is you can see across the top, these are tabs that our parents or anyone can use. Our live stream, our Power School, the pay fees, it's just an easy, quick button, pay for lunch, suicide hotline, and then we also have our social media at the top. So if you'd like, you're more than welcome to follow us on any of these social media accounts. So hope this helps. Thanks so much and have a great day.